Hi, today I'm making coconut pineapple cake. So this is a Christmas cake my grandmother used to make. And so I'm going to start with the filling. So I'm using 16 ounces of crushed pineapple, including the juice, a quarter cup of packed brown sugar, as well as 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. I had margarine, so I used that. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to start to begin to let this pineapple cook down on the stove. The rest of the ingredients are, you see here, we're going to actually use a super moist yellow cake, a small package of vanilla pudding, and we're going to add 4 eggs, as well as 1 cup of vegetable oil, and also 1 cup of milk. Okay, and so this is a little bit of a doctored yellow cake recipe, but what you'll find is that it's that it makes it quicker than maybe doing it from scratch. So we've poured the cake mix in. As you can see, we're adding the pudding mix. We're adding the 1 cup of cold milk, and then I am beginning to combine the ingredients here. And so that's what you're looking at. And so, just gonna stir this, and then I'm going to then add my vegetable oil, okay, to this. All right, and you can see what I'm doing here. And then next, I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time. Okay, so just like you would a pound cake, you want to just add your eggs one at a time, mix them, and then I'm going to set that aside while I check on my pineapple filling. Now remember, we want this pineapple filling to be candied. So even more than if you were making a pineapple upside down cake, this would probably be about the consistency. We want to dry out that filling even more. And so this is what you're looking at, where it should almost spread like candy on the cake. And so as you can see here, I've spread it across the cake. And then I'm going to add the top layer onto the cake, and then I'm using just store-bought cream cheese icing. You can certainly make your own. Again, I'm just trying to show how to make this Christmas cake pretty quickly. And so I've icing the cake, and then I have sweetened coconut flakes that I'm going to add to the cake. I've poured them in a bowl, and then I'm just going to spread all of the coconut flakes all over the cake, as you can see here. Next, I'm going to just sit it out so it can cool. Then we're going to cut this cake in a little bit, but that is my coconut pineapple cake.